The 2013 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door, four-passenger coupe is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include power front seats, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.